Exercise 1.4. As you can see here, we actually do not have a tab called 1.4. But if you read the instruction on the syllabus, you actually need to create one by yourself. How do we create a new sheet, a new tab? Here is a button. So if you click on this button, new sheet, we will have a new sheet. And let's rename that as instructed as 1.4 num fit, number fit. And let's enlarge it to be able to read this easily. Okay, in cell A1, we will try to type in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And oh, it's a little bit too small. So how do we fix that? We can double click here. So yes, we have our number. And if we increase the decimal, it actually increases the cell as well because we are using a new version of Excel. But in the syllabus, you would see the result of this. So if you open up an Excel file and see this kind of input, don't worry, probably just the cell is not big enough. So let's try something else. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. What will happen now is like this. It will show you this arrow and actually represents 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 10 and with 12 as exponentiation. So eventually we will figure out the number, but because its number is too large, so in Excel it will show you as this. We can change the formatting here under the Home tab, number, and then change here to a number. Then we can see the whole number again and increase or decrease decimal, or we change to currency, or we do something else. There are many choices here. So the idea of this exercise is to tell you the fit of a number and the type of the cell. And just try it by yourself. There are many possibilities. This is exercise 1.4. I'll see you in the next video.